Yo, what's going on, gang? Hey, it's your buddy Hopper and Cyber. So you guessed it, it's all food and bullshit. So where are we? We're back at the Ferg, Friday night happy hour. So me and my boy Andrew here, we decided to do a little switcheroony. So we got the surf and turf steak sandwich. And we got the tipped sirloin sandwich. So let's get into the surf and turf.
Got the horse rabbit?
What?
Yeah. That's good. It's real good.
That surf and turf that's in the pocket.
It's really good, yeah. Not too much Old Bay either.
No, the Old Bay is not bad. Very doable. All right. Of course, fries are out of the park. Very good. All right. Sandwich too.
They're getting something. They're not giving. No.
Reverse seared sirloin. Gruyere cheese, baby.
No, they're getting something. I just heard it this morning.
And horseradish sauce, delicious.
You heard it.
It is good.
Listen,
No. And there's no way they're getting something.
ever became a millionaire and hit it fucking big? Let me tell you something. Tommy would have a job for life. What do you think, Drew? Good?
Awesome. Don't forget the nose, probably.
That's it. Wow.
I didn't get it.
I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on and hang with us on a Friday happy hour. Come by, say hello, say what's up. Hey, listen, take care of yourselves and each other. And please remember, a good attitude goes a long way. And also remember, ask gas for grass. Nobody rides for free. See everybody soon. Have a great weekend.